Good day, parents and learners. Welcome back to Mathematics Grade 2. Today we will be looking at ordinal numbers. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me at teachernarisha@gmail.com. Today the counting activity will be the same as yesterday's. Please make use of the page as a visual guide, as it is a number chart from 0 to 100. Count from 1 to 75 and back, counting 2s to 74 and back, counting 5s to 75 and back, and counting 10s to 70 and back. Please pause this page as the children are busy with their counting activity. Mental maths, you have 1 minute to answer the 10 questions. Please make use of the number chart as a guide if you do struggle. Try to give it your best and try to do it as fast as you can. Please pause the page as the children are busy doing their mental maths. The aim and goal for today's lesson is to make use of ordinal numbers to show order, place, or position. Position objects on a line from 1st to 15th or 1st to last. Example 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and so on until you get 10th, which would be the last in the line. Here we have 15 objects. So with the first step we're going to take is we are going to number each of these objects. Each of these objects will get a number, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So the first step is always to number your objects on your line. A lot of the times it will be animals or different objects, cups, and so on. So if you look at the butterfly is number 1. If you are number 1 in line, you are first in line. F-I-R-S-T. First. The car is number 2 in line, so he is second in line. S-E-C-O-N-D, second. The doll is number 3, so she is third in line. I-R-D, third. The soccer ball is number 4, so it is fourth in line. F-O-U-R-T-H, fourth. The bucket is number 5, so it is fifth in line. Please pay attention. As soon as a number name ends on a V and an E, when we come to the ordinal numbers, we take away the V and the E and we replace it with an F and add a TH. So if you are number 5, you are fifth. F-I-F, fifth. Do you see we replaced the V and the E with an F, and then we just added the T and the H, fifth. The flower is 6 in line, number 6 in line, so it is sixth in line, S-I-X-T-H, sixth. The cricket bat is number 7 in line, so it is seventh, S-E-V-E-N-T-H, seventh. The pencils are number 8 in line, and they are eighth. Pay attention. With eighth, it already has a G and an H, so we only add another H. Eight, eighth. So eight, the t becomes a th. We only add one H. Eighth. E-I-G-H-T-H. Eighth. It's a tricky one, so pay attention when you have to write it. The sword is number 9 in line, so it is ninth. The E falls away, and we replace it with a 9. The ballerina is number 10, so she is 10th in line. T-E-N, 10th. Then we have the beetle, which is number 11 in line, so it is 11th in line. E-L-E-V-E-N, 11th. The apple is number 12, so it is 12th in line. Yet again, the same as what we did with number 5. It ends on a V and an E. We take it away and we replace it with the F. Then we add the T and the H. So it's T-W-E-L-F, 12. Do you see we replaced the V and the E with an F, and then we just added the T and the H. The mug is number 13 in line, so it is 13th. IRTEEN, 13th. The guitar is number 14 in line, so it is 14th, 14th, 14th. And lastly, we have the pony, which is number 15 in line, so it is 15th, 15th. Now, I'm going to teach you something very interesting with the first three numbers. If you run a race, the first three people are the winners. They get to stand on a podium. So, if the first three people in the line of the race is special, it means the numbers must be special too. Yes, they are. The number names change from the rest. They look totally different than the other numbers in the rest of the line. So, number 1 becomes first, not 1th. Number 1 is so special because you are the first person. You have to get a total different name. So 1 becomes first. If you're number 2 in the race, you are still a winner because you are not lost. You are number 2. So 2 becomes second. It's very special. You get a silver medal. Then number 3 is just as important in a race. So number 3 also stands on the podium and is third. So you get a bronze medal. The rest of the number names, 4 to 15, and as we discussed them today, ends on a th. So it's 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th. They end on a th. Remember the rules I taught you with number 5, where the V and the E falls away and it's replaced with an F, and you add the th. With number 8, you only add an H, you write 8, and then you add an 8 to make eighth. With number 9, the E falls away and you add the th. And then with number 12, the V and the E, same as number 5, falls away, you replace it with an F and you put a th. So that is how ordinal numbers work. We will handle them more in depth in class. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Goodbye, and I can't wait to see you guys tomorrow.